We flew from Florida to San Francisco to board the Carnival Miracle on a 10-day trip to Alaska. And we arrived a couple of days before, so we spent the day before the cruise exploring Pier 39 and the Fisherman's Wharf. Come with us.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La
no visit to California is complete without a stop at the In-N-Out Burger. Hey, how's it going, man? Hey, let me have double animal style, no pickles, the meal. And then let me have the same thing, but number 2, but with pickles. We stayed at the Hotel Riu at Fisherman's Wharf. It's a centrally located hotel with large-sized rooms, great amenities, and a fabulous breakfast buffet. We headed back to Pier 39 for dinner at the Pier Market Seafood Restaurant. We had steak and shrimp chow mein, which has tender filet mignon, shrimp veggie stir-fried with garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and sesame seeds. And we also ordered a fisherman's platter, which is a large platter of shrimp, calamari, fish, and chips.
Oh yeah.
Here are some of the photos I took around Fisherman's Wharf.